Hello guys, my name is Engineer Holiday. We are welcome to this exam question. It's likely examination question that has to do with trig functions. And before we go into it, remember that I told you that 1 over sine x is equal to sec s, 1 is equal to cosec s, 1 over cos s equals to what? Sec s, and 1 over tan x is equal to what? Cot x. Once you can remember this, I think you are good to go. And remember that tan x is equal to what? Sin s over cos x. Cot s is equal to what? Cos x over sin s. Then recall that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x. So if you know all this, you are good to go. You also remember that 1 plus what? And remember I told you that 1 plus cot square x equals to what? Cosec square x. And so forth and so on. Now, I don't understand this. Then we are good to go. We are now going to what? Solve problem that has to do with this. Remember, if you divide all through by sine or by cos, you are going to have this one. It now be what? 1 plus what? If you divide by cos, 1 plus tan square to give us what? Sec square. If you divide by what? By sine, this first equation, you are going to have this one. Divide by sine square x. This one would cancel out 1 plus what? Cot square equal to what? Cosec square s. That means if you divide by what? By sine square s. So these three things are very important. Now let's solve question. The number one says evaluate cot s plus 2 cosec x plus sec s cos x. If sine s is 3 over 4 over 5, where the angle, all the angles are under an acute angle. This is acute angle. This interval indicates acute angle, the first quadrant. So in that case, we are going to use it. So cot x plus 2 cosec x plus sec s cos s. Now what do? We are going to what? Find what? Sin s equals to what? 3 over 5. Therefore, what is not going to be our cos x? Cos s will now be equal to what? Square root of what? 1 minus what? Sin square x. Because we know from here, if you make cos x the formula, this is what you are going to have. So in that case, we are going to have square root of what? 1 minus, then this one is square it, 3 over 5 all square. If you break it down, what do we have? Cos s equals to what? Square root of what? 1 minus 9 over 25. At the end of the day, we are going to have what? The LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. Then 25 divided by 1 is what? 25 times 1 is 25 minus 9. So that square root will give us 25 minus 9 will give us 16 over 25. Square root of 16 is what? 4, and square root of 25 is what? Is what? 5. So what I will advise you to do is to square this 25, square this 9. 25 minus 9 will give us 16. Then take square root of it, we get 4. So that's what I want to have. So now we have gotten cos. Now don't forget cosec s equals to 1 over what? Sin x. And what is sin s? 1 over 3 over 5. So what do not be 5 over 3? What else do we need? Sec x. Sec s is what? 1 over cos x. And that will give us cos x is 4 over 5. So it becomes 1 divided by 4 divided by 5. And that is 5 over 4. So that is all settled. Then cot x. Cot x is equal to what? Cos x over sin x. And what will that one give us? What is your cos x? 4 over 5 divide by what? 3/5. Cos divided by sine. So I want to have it as 4/5 times 5/3. This one will cancel this. I want to have 4/3 as our what? Cot x. So in that case now, what we now have, I haven't done that now. We'll now put everything here to get our final answer. So the first answer will now be what? Cot x is what? 4/3. Plus, what is our cosec x? 2 times cosec x is what? 5/3 plus sec x. Cos x is what? What is sec s? Sec s is 5/4. Don't forget cosec s is what? 5/3. Why sec s is 5/4? 5/4 times, what is cos? Cos is what? 4/5. So we now what? Do our simplification there. This one will cancel this one. This one will cancel this. So what do you have? We are going to have what? 4/3 plus what? 10/3 plus 1. So what is the LCM? The LCM is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Plus 3 divided by 1 is 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer will now be what? 17/3 as our answer. So this question particularly, the answer is what? 17/3. So that will give us our final answer. So if you check the options that we have are what? A, 10/3, B, 17/3, C, -17/3, D, 11/3, and E, none of the above. So I will go with 17/3, which is option B. Now, I think that one is clear. Now, please, we want to go to question 2. Let's go to question 2. And that is the next thing we want to solve. But before we go, please, I believe that you should master this part. Very important to be able to comprehend and enjoy your question on 3.1. So that is just that. Now, let's go to what? Number 2. Let's go to question 2. Question 2 say evaluate cos square x plus cos square x plus what? 3 sine square x minus 4. Still acute angle. Now, what is what? Cos x was is 2/5. So we are given 2/5 in the question. Yes, 2/5, we are correct. So if 2/5 is given, then we look for sine x. Sine x is square root of what? 1 minus 2/5 all square. Remember the formula I gave to you, 1 minus cos square x to get what? Sine x. If you want to get cos x, it's 1 minus sine square x, square root of everything there. So what do we have now? Here will now give us what? 25. 1 minus 4/25. And that will give us what? LCM is 20. Don't forget 5 square is 25. They call this 5. Then 2 square is what? 4. So what is the LCM of this? I think it will be what? 25. 25 divided by 1 is 25. Times 1 is 25 minus 25 divided by 25 is 1 times 4 is 4. So I would have 21/25 square root. And that will give us what? Square root of 21. 21 is not a perfect number. While square root of 25 is what? 5. So that is sine x. Now I think we can now move from here. We can move from here. Now what do we do in our class? We now find cos square x. Cos square x actually means cos x all square. And that will give us 2 over 5 all square. That will give us 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. That will give us 4 over 25. That is what we're going to have for that cos square x. What about sine square x? Sine square x is equal as sine x all square. And that will give us what? When 12 of 21 over 5 all square. What do you have? We're going to have it as for 21 over 25. So having done that now, what we just need to do is to finalize our final, to get our final answer. Let's get our final answer. That will give us what? This one is what? 4 over 25 plus 3 times what? 21 over 25 minus 4 over 1. So this will give us what? 4 over 25 plus 63 over 25 minus 4 over 1. Now, let us break down this part. Let us break down this part. It now give us what? SCM is what? 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 1 times this is 4 plus 25 divided by this is 25, at least 1. 25 divided by 25 is 1 times 4 is 4. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 1 times 63 is 63 minus 4 over 1. And that will give us what? 67 over 25 minus 4 over 1. So what is our SCM there again? The final lap is 25. 25 divided by 25 is what? 1. 1 times 67, 67 minus 25 divided by 1 is 25 times 4 is 100. So 100 minus 67, or 67 minus 100 should be what? Minus 33 over what? 25. So let's look at the option there given to us. Minus 33 over what? That is what? Now, the problem that we face here is that this one now, 67 minus what? 100. Sometimes substitute will say, because in the option we have option A minus 17 over 25. Option B we have minus 33 over 25. C we have 33 over 65 over 25. Then minus the option B is minus 33 over 25. C says what? 33. C is 33 minus 72 over 25. D says 65 over 25. I think E now is none of the above. So I will go with what? What 60 minus 33 over 25. So you have to be very careful, especially here. This week, look for the SCF first, break this one down. Then you have this, then before you now go with the other. So that is number 2. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3 question, which is the last one. Then I will give us the 4th one to try our luck. Let's try and solve it and see what we're going to get. So this one says what? 3 tan square x plus 4 sec x. That is the question. Now, what we're going to do now is that we are given what? If cot s equals to what? 4 over 3. Now recall that tan x is equal to 1 over cot x. So we can now say tan x first is equal to what? 1 over 4 over 3, which is what? 3 over 4. That one is clear. Then another thing again is that remember that 1 plus tan square s equal to sec square x. Recall to get this one. So that means that sec x is equal to square root of what? 1 plus what? Tan square x. So what I want to do is to what? Look for the 1 plus square this one. If tan s equals to 3 over 4, then square tan square x or tan x all square will be equal to 9 over 16. The second of that, then equal to 9 over 16. Then what do we have now? Don't forget they told us is acute angle. So tan cos in the first quadrant, that's where you have acute angle, where what everything is what is that is a constant, that is positive rather. So what do we have now? We want to have it as what? Square root of what? Find the LCM of that. What is the LCM of this one? 16 is the LCM. 1 and 16 is 16. 16 divided by 1 is 16. 16 times 6 minus 1 is 16. Plus 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So we're going to have it as 25 over 16. What is square root of 25 over 16? 5 over 4. So we are cutting that one. So we'll put it here. I mean 3 times, what is it, tan square? Tan square, what do you call it? X. That means 9 over 16 plus then 4 times 5 divided by 4. So this one will cancel this one. So what we are left is what? 27 over 16 plus 5. What is the LCM of that? That's 16. Then 16 divided by what? 16 is 1. 1 times 27 is 27. Don't forget 9 times 3 is 27. Divided by 16 plus. Then 5 times 1 is 5 over 1. Then 16 divided by 1 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. So 80 plus 27 is 107 divided by 16. I think that should be our answer. So you check your options given to you in the exam, whatever exam you are writing. We have option A is 100 over 16, B 105 over 16, C 107 over 16, D minus 107 over 16. I think that should be 107 over 16. So I would like you to try this and please put your answer, write your answer in the comment section. Try the number 4 and let's see what we are going to get. Till next time we shall meet again, same time, same channel. Remain blessed. My name is Engineer Ali and stay safe. Thank you.